Next, we'll see the theoretical concepts of soldering practice.
And next, we'll see soldering practice, which is very important for doing any kind of electronic gadget service, and even for assembly type of gadgets, you should know the soldering pinpoint. So here we are having a micro solder machine. Micro solder machine is having a fine tip, or you can have a small cut at the edge, right? Or in this way, knife cut, right? So these are some of the types of soldering, micro soldering stations. Right? So here only the tip have the capability to melt the solder wire. We call that as a lead or solder wire. Right, and similarly this tip and here these two ends. So only this tip have the capability to melt the soldering wire or melt the lead. So under 187 degrees, after that your lead starts getting melted. So that is the 187. So you can keep it on around 250 and drag it to 350, 370. That depends where and for what we are using the soldering. Right, you should know the melting level of soldering lead. So it may vary place to place. So for small components we can use 225, 250 range. For removing the display, you should keep a lesser heat. Right, soldering type displays also there. Not only the pasting display, soldering type display is also there. So for each and every unit, you are going to do the desoldering and soldering. You should know the range of degrees. So this is the place where we get the exact degrees, high temperature where the lead can melt and goes to molten stage. And what is the procedure of doing the soldering? The procedure of doing the soldering is, first you have to clean the surface. How can we clean the surface? Apply flux, solder flux, apply heat. With the help of a soldering iron, apply heat. That paste, that flux will move from greasy stage to liquid stage. Once it changes its position, condition, that liquid will wipe out the moisture, humidity content and also the dust which are present surround the component, servicing area. And third, apply heat simultaneously on both sides. Remove component. And this is the basic procedure of using micro soldering machine, micro soldering station. First you have to apply the flux, and next you have to apply the heat so that it will spread the flux all around the servicing area. Apply heat on both sides and then remove the component. So this is the procedure of removing the component. And for fixing, how to fix the component in the right position. Keep it in the component in right position. Apply flux, apply heat with little amount of lead. With little amount of lead. So you have to place the component in the right position and then apply the flux in that position on both the edges, and finally apply the heat with a little small amount of lead in the soldering iron. So this will fix the component perfectly onto the board, so that you can finish your soldering operation, soldering principle perfectly. Right? So this is the removing and fixing procedure. And do's and don'ts of soldering. Another procedure, we have to follow this. So for assembly, this is the surface, and we are going to place the component like this and doing the soldering in this way. These two are the soldering area, soldering edges, and this is the component and this is the motherboard. So here we are having the contact area, right? So we have to fix the component in the correct position. So partially fill in the contact areas, right? And then we have to apply the flux here and in this edge, and then with a little amount of lead in the soldering iron, give the heat, apply the heat, your component will fix perfectly. And this is how you have to do the soldering. And what will happen if we are doing the soldering like this? Sometimes in this contact area, if you fill the lead like this, your component will be placed in an inclined manner. So if you apply paste and heat over here, this will get fixed, and here some dry areas will be there, and here some dry area will be there. This is not the perfect soldering, and sometimes we will do mistakes like this. In these two contact areas, we will fix the component like this. After applying the flux and heat, your soldering will be covered. Lead will be covered here entirely, and for here only this edge will get soldered. So in this type, we will lose the component out from the contact area. So this edge will not get soldered properly, and this is also wrong. So you should never do the soldering like this. You have to clean the surface before soldering, keep it even, and then place the component, apply paste and lead along with the soldering iron. And that is the correct procedure, and if you done like that, it's easy for you to fix the component in the right position and it will never come up. How can we test whether the component is fixed properly or not? After you do all the soldering section, all the soldering function, remove the PCB board from the holder and keep it in the table surface, open surface, and with the help of a tweezer, clip this component and try to pull it up. If the component comes out, your soldering is failed. If the board comes up along with the component, your soldering is perfect. So this is how we can test it. So the component will never hold the motherboard's weight. Right, so you can easily check whether the soldering is perfect or not in this way. Right? So you should know how to handle the tweezers also. Tweezer is of two types, normal straight tweezer and curved tweezers are there. So normal as well as curved tweezer, whichever is applicable for you and easy for you to use, you can make use of that for doing soldering and desoldering. And all these theory concepts will be there in the video. Right, we'll share the video, you can watch it after this, and that is very easy for you to understand along with the theory concept. So this shows what to do, what not to do, and the video shows how to do the soldering. Right, so all these will get you the correct and contains information for you to get it to your mobile repair. Right.
Next, we'll see about the SMD rework station.